Hello, here we are again with another Wildix training session. This training session is all about the Android app, and this time we're going to look at the in-call features. So things you can do while you have a call in progress on the Android app. So let's look at the app. So this is the app. I'm going to do something different this time. I'm actually going to make a call into the app so you can see what it looks like when a call comes in. If I dial from Whoopi's extension to Kermit, you'll see a call coming in, Whoopi's calling, and to answer the call, you drag the green button over to the left. Okay, so the call is now in progress. So you've got a number of buttons here. The top button here, this one is if you want to turn the call into a video call. Now this will only be available if the call is internal to your Wildix system by someone else who is also using Wildix. So if you click on this, the call will now become a video call, and the other person also gets a video call. I'm going to end that because I'm getting a bit of feedback. You can go back to the main screen and just turn off the video there. Okay. Now the call is still in progress, but it leaves the speaker on, so be aware that you need to turn the speaker off. Okay, and the call is still in progress, but that's how you turn it in a video call from a normal audio call. The next button here is mute. Now this does cause a little bit of confusion because it's a picture of a microphone with a line through it. So when you actually press the mute button, it turns your mute on, so the other person cannot hear you. So Whoopi now cannot be heard by Kermit, who's called her. It does cause a little bit of confusion because of the line through it. Just be aware that it is only on when it's highlighted like this. We have spoken to Wildix and says, can you change the icon so it changes from a microphone to a microphone with a line through? But as it is at the moment, it's still a microphone with a line through for a mute button. The one next to it we've just used already. This is the speaker button. If you press this, then the sound now comes out the speaker. You can hear a little bit of feedback as I do it here in the office. So obviously if you're working with your cell phone and you want to have your speaker turned on, that's the button to press. Other buttons we've already spoke about in other lessons. This is the pause button or the hold button. If you press this, it puts the call on hold. The person calling will now receive the hold music, whatever hold music you've chosen for your system, and you can basically make another call and then come back to this one at a later time. This one in the middle is the transfer button. There's a whole lesson about the transfer button, so you should take a look at that after you've seen this if you haven't seen that already. Down the bottom left is the record button. Again, there's a whole lesson about call record and how to use it and where to see your call recordings. That's another lesson. The big red button in the middle is the one that we use to hang up and end the call. And the button to the right is if you're required to press a button for a choice. Sometimes you get to a company's and it says press 1 for sales, press 2 for something else, press 3 for something else. Well, obviously we don't have the keypad on at the moment, so you would press this and that brings up the keypad and allows you to make whatever choice you want. And you can see the call is continuing in the background. If you wanted to go back to the call, the way to do it is press the big blue button in the middle. Not the red one because that hangs up, but the big blue one in the middle. And then you can go back to the call by pressing the handset. Okay, so those are the features that are available in call. If you have any more questions about that, you can always give Telexperts a call or have a search around the website. And we'll see you for the next Wildix training session, whenever that is.